And just like that, we back. 911 got all washed up. Shout out to my guy Brian for coming in clutch. 360 Auto Detail. Finally got freaking license plates on this thing. I ain't rocking gangster temp tag. I wish they would have got was in here, but I didn't have the little thingy flipped up. So you know, I don't even know if they knew it flipped up. And let me tell you, it is something about driving in a clean ass car. I mean, they did the interior too. Everything is spick and span, but I mean, I don't know, just knowing your car is a lot cleaner for some reason. I don't know, bro. Drives good. Head and Stop Shop, I gotta pick up some freaking groceries too. I really want to take care of these lights next because it just be looking crazy. My boy Brian, who actually owns the 360 detailer, he was watching my story. He's like, yo, why you got a Christmas tree on that thing, bro? Like, chill, my man, relax. There's only 2 lights. I just purchased the M Engineering Tune today. It cost me freaking $2 grand. So I have a few things at the house too to take care of on the car. I'll show you guys when we get there. One, let's take care of that tire pressure light. Quick update, we got a new shipment out from Pelican Parts. Just a couple things to, you know, make the car great again. Oh man, it's way more tough. What you taking, M2 or the Porsche? Why though? Because it's a Porsche. Ugly. Just say it.
No, I never.
You don't like this?
No.
These are nice. You remember this? You remember this? I don't miss it. I don't know. Am I wrong for not missing it? V8 in it. Now, this is what I really want. But this is not what I can afford. Oh. The animation here is pretty dope. Oh, this is nice. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the X5. This is boss. Damn, I hate being broke. You smell that, right?
Yeah.
You smell that?
Good.
M240. Seats look pretty comfortable. For some reason, they look more comfortable than the M2, but I don't know, I could be wrong. I know the M2 had the screen as well. Yeah, I really don't care if it comes with this. It's not the worst thing. Yeah, I think this is definitely next up. Mark my words, when I get done with the 911, I think I'm gonna pull a trigger on something like this. It's actually, I think it'll be a nice daily. I really do. I don't like this color. It's like the M340. This thing is freaking huge. 77. Yeah, I don't know, but you guys notice that this thing looks like it got rear-ended a little bit. I've been noticing that in traffic. Like, it looked like it got hit and the back end kind of came down and in. I've never seen a BMW actually look like that before. Oh. Bruh, 2 seconds in it and I already tell you what they did wrong. The interior is nice though. Wow, let me get to this. This, way too cheap looking. Everything else looks like it could be a $70,000 car. This really messed it up, but I'd still buy it. Who am I kidding? You guys know I love the 7 Series. I liked it because how high up it made you feel. Yo, and how much like a vibe it was inside. A lot of room in the front, decent in the back. But after this, I cannot get a G30 Like, I know you guys don't like the outside and everything like that, but daily wise, this is like miles ahead. I'm really liking how BMW made this fit in this car. Like in a lot of the cars, like the GD, it's all right. I like it, but it just looks more like an afterthought. However, this car was designed with, you know, this screen in mind, and it's nice. I like the little islandy thing, and I want to change some colors. I try to come back and play with it one day when I take delivery of my car, because I have to wait. I didn't even know this was like that. This is beautiful. Think I'm overpaying? Look how many documents, look how much service history this car has. Brandy, sit. T. Come on. She's technically a bitch. Ooh. Damn. It's a new day. Back to regularly scheduled programming. Filling her up. Drive it like you stole it.
Speed racer.
Are you flooring it? Oh, I was about to say, is that slow? Oh, that's a Chevy Chevette. My mom used to have a Chevette back in the day. It is?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. That's an ugly ass car. Oh, the heated steering wheel. Yeah, I put my hand all the time and hit it on an accident too. It's like the dumbest place for one. I know. It doesn't make any sense to me either. Just turn in, you see it? Just turn in.
Nice.
Yeah, they always got some sick stuff, man. These cars are dope. You can do a launch control right here, actually. If you stop, you can do a launch control.
Oh, you're so my bad.
I'll be fiending now. You good, you good. And just like that, back in freaking traffic. I'm gonna run by Chase first, go get the freaking bank check, and get this deal done. And hopefully I'll be able to pick up my new daily soon. Yeah, we are. I always get lost and like freaking forget where Chase is. Oh, don't scratch your lip. I definitely didn't scratch, that's good. But yeah, I always do this funny thing where you tap the gas. It kind of feels and jerks around and sounds like a manual as you're pulling off. I don't know. You guys gotta let me know. Is that freaking dangerous for the car? Because, bro, it sounds really cool. It's dope. I just like doing it. I don't know. Am I gonna blow something up? We got the check. I got a blurry pile of the numbers. I don't want you guys to steal it. Well, then again, this ain't probably gonna come out until I get the car. But it's time to go in and make it happen. It looks so sexy out there, man. Uh-oh, we got something coming out. I think this is technically my first Porsche meet or event, or first meet in general. Nah, I went to the tri-state meet with all the BMWs and I brought the Porsche, but you know, he gets no love in the stock Porsche, especially at a BMW event. Ooh, that CA sound good. God damn. Okay, M4 GTS. M2's looking nice. All right, my boy Andrew. I don't even know who the hell that is. Oh, man, where am I gonna park at? I finally found parking. My car's stock, so you know I had to leave the little wing up. Oh, it looks so filthy in there right now, but it is what it is. Oh, we park miles and miles and miles and miles and miles away. Actually, I'm gonna cut through here. It actually doesn't seem that bad. Did I lock the car? Oh, this thing is nice.
Thank God I have my wits about me.
Me and Don's, we're gonna go rob some banks. All right, we'll be right back.
No, that or RWB.
This, well, yo, this already looks wide as hell.
That or old RWB.
Nah, I get that, bro. I get that. I ain't gonna lie.
You know?
And this is nice. He got the white dials in here. Man, can't wait.
That's a sleeper.
What, the Ford? Yeah. But I'm telling you, bro. Bro, literally, I hit up Tal. I'm like, yo, What's the biggest turbos you guys have for this car? I need something. I kind of have a soft spot for these Porsches though. Like even though it's not the typical one.
I think they're underrated or slept on.
Yeah.
The prices are now starting to come up here.
But even these two, I love these two, bro.
This reminds me of the F-Type.
Huh?
This reminds me of the F-Type.
Yeah, I can see that.
Type coupe?
Yeah, I can see that. G80. That wing look a little higher. Porsches be killing it. Look at that. That's sexy. Whew, that sunroof's tiny. Oh, my bad, man. Get out the shot. This is one of my dream cars. I kid you not. I'm gonna own one of these one day. Freaking G bodies, boy. Either a Cutlass, Monte Carlo. My grandfather had a few of these. This is, oh, I love this thing, bro. I swear to you, one day it's gonna happen, bro. Bruh. Whew. What is this? This is, I don't know what this is. Porsche. These things are, what is that? I know it's a Lambo, but what is that, bro? They all look kind of crazy these days. I think that's it. I'm getting a little, just too much for me, man. These cars, I can't do them. I walk around a little bit, it'd be over. It'd be over for me. It's like a heck of a lot more space with no car in it, but started accumulating a little bit too much stuff, so. Let me see. Oh my God, she ate the other half of the duck head, bro. You serial killer. Woo, I like this. I need to hire you. How much you charge?
A lot.
I don't want to pay it. No. Well, you can set it. Man, where could you set it? Set it. Just remind me that it's up there.
Yeah.
Cause that's gonna suck. All right. Hold this. Go hold that for me. I got you. I'll take you out the K-Pot.
Tonight?
Huh?
Tonight?
Oh, so now I'm paying for K-Pop. We going tonight. You said you wanted to go tomorrow.
No, you wanted to go tomorrow.
What time does K-Pop close?
I have no clue. Just do it.
I'll check in a minute. Get me up there working hard. Yeah, like that? My man, baby. I know you wanna. By the power vested in me. Uh-oh, look at that, huh?
Yeah. Gotta go all the way down. My face is serious or something? It still says hours swim on this.
Oh, that's perfect. All right, so here it is. It's pretty much finished. Looks a heck of a lot more clean. I like this setup a lot more. Porsche parts over here, got the TPMS sensors, and like little weird things like this is, I've got some part in the Porsche, like the little gel packs or glue packs or lube packs for the axle. You know, tons more parts there coming in from all of them. Suncoast Porsche, Pelican Parts, FCP. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, waiting for parts is probably the worst freaking thing, bro, because like the way I try to put these videos out, I just wanted to do all parts at once, but like we wouldn't get any video out for like a month, so. See if we can go hunting tonight. Here we go. Tonight was pretty dope though. That RS5 ain't want to smoke. I swear I was gonna catch him. I gotta look at the footage and see how that one played out and see my new top speed for this thing, man. Got all the fun game shenanigans over. M Engineering Tune came through. I wonder if you can upload the maps on here via SD card. It's interesting. This is gonna solve all the check engine problems, get me all the way right. This thing can also diagnose codes, all types of stuff. This is pretty much like boot mode for the Porsche. Well, for me. It's getting late, so I ain't even gonna play with this right now. I'll play with it a little later. And yeah, so just wanted to show you guys what's coming up next. How does this stay in here? So, you know what it is.